Hey everybody, today we're going to do some pre-season maintenance on the Harley Sportster, and we're going to start with the air filter. We are going to clean it and re-oil it. It's been a few years here on this thing, and it's been spitting up oil through the breathers as usual. That's what Harleys do. And yeah, we'll clean it out, we'll go through the process. Alright, yeah, this thing's been getting a lot of oil through the breathers and stuff. So it's been caking up on this filter. Pull this off and see how she looks. Alright, got her off. And if you look closely here, sorry for the crummy lighting, but we've got plenty of oil build up here, so we'll clean this up. And then of course you can see we got the same thing going on here on the filter here as well. So we'll clean this up and re-oil it and make it brand new. And I went with the Arlen Ness filter cleaning kit, just because that's the brand that I have. I don't know, there might be some cheaper options out there, but this is what I went with. So first things first is we're just supposed to shake off any excess dust that might be on here or anything. You can see there's actually quite a bit of stuff caked up here. Just want to get the bulk off. The oil's holding on any stuff that is on here right now, but I'll maybe take a toothbrush to it or something and brush it off a little bit. And then we're just going to spray it with this Arlen Ness filter cleaner. You saturate it really well, and then you let it set for about 10 minutes. We're getting plenty of crap out of here. Alright, and I assume you don't want to be too shy with this stuff. Just cake it on. We're dealing with some thick oil on here, so. Okay, just got this all covered up real good. Just an FYI, I just got done with like a 5-minute coughing fit. This stuff does kind of stink and it gets into your throat, so be careful. Maybe not a kitchen thing, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna let her sit for 10 minutes. Okay, it's sat for a good while now, maybe more like 15 minutes. And next we're going to rinse it off. You're supposed to use tap water or something, not something with high pressure. And the important thing is that you're rinsing it from the inside out, so it's taking the stuff that the filter have stopped from going out this way, rather than washing it through here to the inside where you're just going to further embed whatever's in here. Alright, I'm just kind of paying attention to the color of the water and stuff. As soon as it comes out clear, then I know we're good. Okay, finished rinsing it off. It looks pretty dang good, almost new. And now we do the exciting part, which is setting it down and letting it dry. And once it's all dry, we will re-oil it. Alright, it's the future, it's the next day. Now the last step is we're going to be adding the oil, which is right here. And you're just supposed to put a light amount of it on the outside. Now I'm going to give a knock on Arlen Ness for this because they just have an open mouth bottle, so it's very clumsy to try to be applying oil to this thing. So just be very, very careful, unless you have something else like a dripper or a syringe or something that you can put the oil into. But we'll do that, and then we let it soak in for about 20 minutes. I'm being as careful as I can to not put too much on. With this bottle, that's kind of hard. Alright, got that part all done. Now we're just going to let it sit for 20 minutes and then we'll reinstall. I think I did a pretty good job. It's just you need a lot of control with that bottle so you're not dumping all of it out or spilling it. Alright, it's been over 20 minutes now. We're just going to finish up the last part, which is installing the filter. right, we are all done. It looks good to me. Hopefully this was some help for you guys. It does save money, obviously, just cleaning up and reoiling this filter rather than buying a new one. I'm in Minnesota here, so it's going to be a little while before I get these toys out, unfortunately. Ride safe, and thanks for watching.